Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's AXS update for Saturday. So here we are again, and a quick recap. Yesterday we talked about this, some sort of a bearish rectangle pattern that actually you broke out of, and it looks like AXS is interested to go to this technical target out of that bearish rectangle that I actually explained in detail in yesterday's video. Okay, so the EMAs is turned on the daily, and the problem is that on the daily you do have a bearish cross. Do you see that? So this was a bear cross right over there. Once you made that bear cross, you went all the way to the downside, dumping and taking everything all the way to hell. So the hell actually seems like it's going to take the rest right over there, and that's where I do see a little bit of maybe some relief to the upside. Once you dump to this place, you might have a little bit of a relief to the upside. Now in this space you must be watching Bitcoin updates as well, because we are following Bitcoin. We've been following Bitcoin, and we are going to continue to follow Bitcoin as long as Bitcoin does exist, unless there's a new update for other altcoins to actually behave by themselves. Now, it would have been a nice thing, that altcoins behave by themselves and they don't have to follow Bitcoin, and they get relied on their own use cases, because if we went to that route, this was always a nice good entry opportunity, right, with that bull flag. But bull flag got invalidated. And why did it get invalidated? Because of how Bitcoin behaves. So trading altcoin is one half of trading your assets. You must watch Bitcoin. You even must watch the forex. You must watch other markets as well, like the Vanguard. And I do have videos regarding Vanguard and what it is, because just the way access follows Bitcoin follows the stocks and the Vanguard and the trillion-dollar companies. Okay, so if Facebook starts to drop, it's going to affect Bitcoin. If the world crisis starts to drop, Bitcoin might be affected, just like coronavirus happened back in the days. Stocks were affected, Bitcoin crashed to the downside and made a V-shaped recovery to go back up. So it is what it is, guys. That was just a quick tip about it. So we are still slowly going down to that technical target for AXS. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.